What's up, everybody? It's Constitution State here today. Today's video comes from New London Police Department. We know New London police are corrupt. We know they can't tell the truth. We know they can't be honest about their use of force. We know they've been caught planting drugs. We know there's tons of lawsuits in and out of that department. We know they're always in some hot water. This involves body camera footage that they just released of an incident that just happened Sunday. It's weird how when they want to save face and cover stuff up and try and change the public opinion, they'll release body camera footage whenever. Dude hasn't even been to court yet. The whole world gets to see it. But if our cases are open and we want our own body camera footage, we have to fight to get it through court. And another thing with this footage is it's real blurry. We have footage from the New London Police Department, and it doesn't seem this blurry. So why is this footage more blurry? And it's funny because cops are usually the ones complaining about people putting out edited videos and releasing edited videos. I see blurs in here, and I see edits. So they should really stop being hypocrites.
Please! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Come here! Come here! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up! Get the kid! Where's the gun? I think it's right here. Gun's right here. All right.
On November 26, 2023, around 1:52 p.m., police responded to the America's Better Value Inn at 380 Bayonet Street in New London and spoke to a witness who said 42-year-old Christopher Nolan went into a room and fired a round out of a window at someone. Then Nolan ran to the Clarion Inn Hotel next door, and when they found him, someone in the room allowed the officers to enter the room, and they found Nolan pressed against the window. They believed he was trying to escape. They state Nolan had a gun in his hand, and according to the Inspector General, Officer Joseph Knott, Officer Annie Agnew, and Officer Seth Bulldog, they all fired their weapons when he turned towards them, striking him several times. That's all it takes. This was the article the news put out Monday. Officer, man exchanged gunfire at New London Inn. I don't know who was reporting it, that the man ever fired or anything like that ever happened, but it didn't. And this is the only thing in the whole article where it said that they exchanged gunfire, was the first line. Passero, who was the mayor, said he hasn't seen the video yet, but said that the New London officer involved is on administrative duty. Are all three officers on duty, or is one? Or did you just not want to tell the public that 3 officers shot a dude? And we don't even know if he was supposed to be in that room. He ran in one room. Who knows if he ran in the second room or if he was supposed to be there? And now if he wasn't supposed to be there, DCF's going to come and investigate this family because the police barged in there and shot this dude up there. Doesn't make any sense to me. They may have had nothing to do with this. They may not need to be investigated by anybody. Yet they are. Maybe police should have handled it different, and maybe there wouldn't have been a police shooting there. Maybe. So what do you guys think? You think that was the best way to handle that situation? Kids inside, people inside, go in, guns blazing, like always? I mean, it is what it is at that point. I don't agree with shooting somebody that is no threat other than having a weapon in their hand, not aiming it. He didn't say anything threatening. He just turned towards them. And they claim it was in his hand. When they go in and they show the gun behind him on a windowsill, I was kind of wondering if he's turning out towards them, how the gun, even either hand, how it flew up and flew on the windowsill. Inspector General report doesn't say aimed it at anybody or even moved it. They just said it was in his hand. 9 times out of 10 it's justifiable, even if it's not. It's just how it works here. But let me know what you guys think. Right? Wrong? Is it okay? Is it not okay? I want to know what you guys think.